called Our Students, which is accessible via this link at the top called, if you click on View Edit Students, the 30 indicates that there are 30 students in the school. I'm logged in as the administrator right now. So you can filter this by grade. So for example, I could type in here grade 1, and then it's only going to show me the grade 1 students, which is quite useful. You can also type in, for example, Susie. It'll show you every one of the child's name called Susie. Okay, so let's start at the top here. So let's just go take that away. Okay, so these are all the students. We've now got these little icons at the bottom here. So you can view all the activities linked to Henry. I'm going to do one for a child that I've been up. This is our demo child. So let's just find her quickly. This is Susie. Let's click on View and see what this looks like. Okay, so this is what this is doing. It's opening up all of Susie's activity logs, her sleep patterns, her medication, anything to do with food, anything to do with any photo uploaded for her, any incident report. So yeah, that's a quick access into that. We've also got the ability to view her invoicing. So I can click on the view icon. It's going to pull through her balance that's owed to the school and all of her links that are linked to her invoicing, receipts and payments. The next thing we can view is her documents. So I can view a document for her. Clicking in the top right hand corner, I can upload a new document that's specifically for her. I can view her progress. So if I've been using the record keeping module, I can now view all the progress that she's been achieving. The next icon we have is reports. So any of her report cards that we've been uploading, we can preview the report card that's been uploaded for her. And then lastly, we have a link called Attends, which quite simply just shows when she was absent and what have you. Okay, so now if your school decided to hide a module, so for example, if I didn't want to show the invoicing module and I click Submit, if I go into the student's profile page now and I click on View Profile, the invoicing module will no longer appear. Okay, so it's going to hide activities, progress reports if you choose to hide that on the invoicing module. I can view the child's profile. This is his full profile. I can edit the profile. Okay, so you can edit student details, parent details, other contacts, and documents. And then we have the ability to add a new student on this page. You can also leave a note, which is only visible to your school staff. So you can add a note in here. And then lastly, if on your school settings tab, if you've turned this on, student login, if you want your older students to be able to log into the system, all you need to do is add the email. I'll show you what you do. So let's just go down and find the student email address. Let's just put in here Kate at, can't type today, Kate at childcloud.co.za, or whatever the email address is for the child. So now if I go back into the View Profile page and I do a quick search for Kate, there's her email, and what it's done now is automatically popped a little button here for us. We can now click Invite, and that is going to send an invitation off to Kate. If she says she didn't get it, you can resend it, or you can click on this little link that says Show Invite Link. You can copy that link, and you can then WhatsApp it, SMS it, email it, whatever you want to do, so she can actually log into the system. And that is pretty much it. So yeah, the page loads really quick. If you've got any questions, please email support@childcloud.co.za.